Your siblings? Okay. Kajiah in Pachongkat Kalunu Medihin Pat Day.
First of all, I would like to thank God for providing me until I'm 10 years old. Second of all, I would also like to thank my parents for organizing my birthday for me. Third of all, I would also like to thank my parents for buying me such special gift. And thank you to everyone here who has come to celebrate my birthday party with me. God bless you all.
If you were much more confident, it's okay, you can sit down now. Now, Kajiah, we welcome Kajiah and Leah on the stage. Everybody spread your hands. Jonah and Leah. This. Chị là có điều, mà bà chứng là có học.